Hi, this is Mrs. Stedecker here to show you how you're going to do your Fruits of the Spirit prayer journal and doing the nice feature in Google Slides called the Theme Builder. So first of all, you're going to go into your Google Classroom for 5th Tech, and then you're going to go under the Classwork tab, and you're going to look for this assignment. It's called Fruits of the Spirit Prayer Journal. You just simply click on it, and then you're going to view the assignment. And in here are the parts of the assignment. First of all, this is the assignment sheet here, which will be handed out to you in class. And then this is this video, which I'm doing right now. And then this is your file where you're going to actually enter your 3 prayers. So you simply click on this file, and then you're in your own personal file. And to use this feature called the Theme Builder, and I want you to say Theme Builder, you're going to go into the View menu, and then there's a option, it's a third one down, called Theme Builder. So we're just going to click on Theme Builder. And then once you're in the Theme Builder, we want to scroll all the way to the top because we want to be in the theme slide. So we're going to click on this theme slide. And one quick way to actually get rid of all these text boxes, which is what you want to do to start off. So just click on one of them and then hold the Control key and then press the A key. So Control A will select everything on the slide, and then you just simply hit the delete button to get rid of all of them because we're going to create our own. So now we're going to start off with inserting a text box. It looks like a T with a box around it. You just click on it and you can click on text box, and then it'll show you what looks like a plus sign or a cross. You can just click on it and then drag to make a box. You're basically making a box and go all the way across, and then you can start typing in your title, which shown on here. You're just simply going to type in Fruits of the Spirit Prayer Journal, followed by your grade level, and then by your first and last name. So you just simply do that, and then once you enter that, you're just going to highlight it or select it, and then once you select it, you can bold it, and you can increase the font. You can make it about 16. So you just put the plus sign on this font size, and it'll increase the font automatically. And then we're going to go to a function or a feature called Align. You want to click that drop down, and you want to do the center. So you want to center this nice in the center of the slide. Next, you're going to add a footer. So that, first of all, this was called a header. Now we're going to put footers down at the bottom here. We're going to put 2 of them. One is going to contain the date, so we're going to grab this text box again, and we're just going to grab this right down here, and you're going to enter the current date. So the date will be 2/28, or 2/21 I should say, 2023. And then over here you're going to create a box that contains the slide numbers. So you can simply insert and then click slide numbers. So you're on the insert menu, you can turn it on, and you click on apply, and it automatically put a sharp sign or hashtag, whichever you like to call it, and then you're all set with your slide. Then you just simply close it, and it'll automatically save it. And what's cool about this is now you don't have to type all this ever again, because now it'll automatically be in there. So all you have to do, so like if you want to put all 3 of your prayer slides right away, you can. And then as you can see, it actually has each of the 3 slides have the title and the footers that we put in and slide numbers. So now we're going to start with our first slide. You're going to add a text box and you're going to put in the definition of your first fruit. First of all, you want the fruit itself. So let's say you pick self-control. So you type in self-control, and then you want to type in the definition. So what's nice is there actually is a feature in here. If you go under the tools, you can go under what's called dictionary. So you can just go dictionary and it shows a dictionary here. And you can actually enter your actual fruit right in there. So Control V and hit enter and it'll give you the definition. So, and if you're able to, you can actually copy it right from here. And then Control V. Now it's kind of small, so you want to be able to see it. So you can just go like this and use the handy dandy font size thing, and you can continue to make it bigger until you can see it pretty well. Probably a font size of at least 14. And then you might want to bold the actual fruit itself. So self-control, we can bold it. You can go Control B, or you can use the bold button up on this toolbar. And if you can't see the toolbar, sometimes it gives you these 3 dots and you can then access more features. So you can just do the bold, and by clicking it on and off, that's just toggling it. You want it to make sure it's actually darker. So once you have that, then you can select a text box again and begin writing your prayer. So from there you can say Dear Father or Dear Lord, whichever you prefer, and then start writing. Like the first parts of the prayer would be adoration, something you adore God for. I adore you, Lord, for I adore. And then you want to prayerfully consider things you need self-control about, or any of the other fruits. You don't necessarily have to pick self-control. You can pick any of the, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, actually 9 different from. So given those fruits, you're going to actually read over the assignment. There's good information in there. And then once you're done with your, pretend that we've entered everything in, then you're going to end your prayer just like in anything, in your precious name, Jesus. Amen. So that's it. Hopefully that helps.